Before you start scrolling listings in Sarasota, pause for a second and listen up. There are certain types of houses here that will wreck your budget, give you headaches, and become a real nightmare for resale down the road.
And the tricky part, a lot of buyers fall in love with the look of a house without realizing what it's going to cost them later. Some of these homes seem perfect at first glance, like mama. But they quickly become regret houses.
We see it all the time. People buy the wrong type of house and then they wonder why insurance is high, the HVAC fails, they have this issue and that issue, and then they can't sell the house.
So today, we're going through the types of houses you should never buy in Sarasota unless you know exactly what you're getting yourself into.
Number one on our list, and this is huge, homes in serious flood zones or with chronic water issues.
In Sarasota, flood risk isn't just a caution on a map. It affects insurance, it affects resale, and if you're not careful, it can blow your entire monthly budget.
We're talking about homes that are labeled VE or AE on flood maps, where storm surge or tidal flooding is a real possibility.
These homes typically require flood insurance, sometimes expensive flood insurance, and that cost can wipe out any savings you thought you had.
And listen, it's not just flooding during hurricanes. High tides, king tides, heavy rainstorms, and inadequate drainage can all cause ongoing issues.
We see buyers who are so fixated on the waterfront views, they sometimes overlook the hidden cost of flood exposure.
Worst case scenario, you pay more every year in insurance than your neighbor across the street who is slightly more inland.
And a little more above base flood elevation. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jeff Scholl.
I'm Jeanette Scholl.
And our channel is all about helping you understand what it's really like to work, live, and relocate to Sarasota.
Every week, we help families, retirees, and out-of-state buyers make smart, confident home buying decisions here in the Sarasota area. So if it's your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button.
It's free.
Yeah, it is.
Alrighty then, let's get back to the list.
Number two on our list, homes with extremely low lot elevation.
Now this sounds similar to flood zones, but it's a little bit different.
A house might not be located in a high flood risk zone, but if the land is exceptionally flat, poorly drained, or adjacent to neighbors, water still collects.
These are the ones where after a typical rainstorm, the yard floods. Rainwater collects in the driveway, and homeowners are constantly battling soggy grass or erosion.
You don't need a hurricane to experience problems here. Sometimes just a normal Southwest Florida rain will do.
Over time, this constant moisture accelerates foundation cracks, wood rot, mold problems, and can even cause some plumbing issues.
So even if insurance cost isn't sky high yet, maintenance costs often are.
Real quick, if you're watching this and thinking, we want to avoid costly mistakes in Sarasota, we've created something just for you. So scan the QR code, click the link below, download our free Sarasota relocation guide.
It breaks down neighborhoods, risk factors like flood exposure and elevation, typical maintenance cost, and what to look for before you buy.
Whether you're relocating, retiring, or investing, it'll help you make the right decision.
All right, let's keep going.
Let's kick this mule.
Number three on our list, older homes with outdated roofs or electrical systems.
We love historic charm as much as anybody, but in Sarasota, an older home without the updated wiring or the roofing can be a very expensive prospect.
Roofs near the coast require wind rating and replacement every 15 to 20 years, depending on materials and conditions.
So if you buy a 30 to 40-year-old home without a recent roof replacement, you're likely facing a $30,000 to $50,000 expense in the very near future.
Same thing goes for electrical. Homes that were built prior to modern building codes oftentimes have outdated panels, ungrounded circuits, or aluminum wiring, and all of that can be really expensive to remediate.
Some buyers are so focused on the interior finishes, they neglect to check the age and condition of the roof and electrical.
And once you're under contract and your inspection period expires, these surprises become your surprises.
Surprise! Fourth on our list, homes with poor drainage or bad grading.
This one is often overlooked.
You can have a home that's not technically in a flood zone, but if water pools around the foundation after every rain, you got a problem, bro.
We're talking about yards that slope toward the house, block swales, or driveways that trap water.
Water under your slab or around your perimeter, that can cause slab movement, cracks, mold, and long-term structural problems.
Almost nobody thinks of this until they're living with it.
Ounce of prevention's worth a pound of cure. But a good inspector will point it out before you buy if they know what to look for.
Number 5 on our list, homes built on fill or unstable soil.
Some homes in Sarasota are built on land that was once wetland or dredge fill. That means it wasn't naturally compacted.
Over time, that loose soil settles, shifts, and moves. And that can lead to foundation cracks, uneven floors, sticking doors, and worse.
And it's not rare in Sarasota and much of South County.
If the soil wasn't properly engineered or compacted, you could run into some foundational problems within a few years.
Worst part, these things don't always show up on a quick walkthrough.
That's why in some instances, a detailed structural inspection, including soil and slab evaluation, is critical. So if you shouldn't buy these problematic types of houses, what should you be looking for?
Look for homes with good lot elevation, ideally 8 to 10 feet above base flood elevation, but that's Jeff's personal preference. Proper grading for good yard drainage, recent roof replacement, modern electrical panels, homes outside a major flood zone, solid, properly engineered foundation lots.
And always have a licensed inspector check the major systems before you close.
Because you don't want surprises after you're already committed. So if you're watching and thinking, hey, we'd like to avoid these costly mistakes, do us both a favor. Scan the QR code, click the link below, and download our free Sarasota relocation guide.
It's going to break down neighborhoods, risk factors, like insurance and flood exposure, elevation maps, and what to look for before you buy.
And call or text us anytime. No need to risk it for the biscuit. We're here to help you make the right decision on your Sarasota move.
Because the wrong house could cost you more than just money.
No right price for the wrong product, people.
It could cost you your peace of mind. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'm Jeanette, this is Jeff. We help families, retirees, and out-of-state buyers make smart, confident home buying decisions when moving to Sarasota.
If you like this video,
smash that like button. Sorry, honey.
oh, that was fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another informative Living in Sarasota video. Y'all come back now. You hear?
Or we're gonna come
We're gonna come after you. To give you a snub. We enjoyed seeing you guys. Y'all come back now. You hear?